What if I told you that a simple kitchen ingredient could supercharge your plants, making them healthier, stronger, and more productive? You probably have it in your kitchen right now, but its benefits go way beyond cooking. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share might just change the way you garden forever. What happens when we add this to the soil? It's rich in nitrogen and phosphorus, two key elements for healthy plant growth. It helps them grow faster, stronger, and more resilient. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use it in your garden. It's simple, yet incredibly effective. The preparation is easy. This ingredient likes lukewarm water. Not too cold, not too hot. I'm using a dry version. First, dissolve it in lukewarm water. Then, add a pinch of sugar. It speeds up the process. Let it sit for a while. And now, the secret ingredient is revealed. It's garlic powder. Yes, the same garlic powder used for cooking can do wonders for plants. Once ready, dilute it with water. This makes an amazing natural supplement for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and many other plants. It's packed with nutrients that support plant growth, boost immunity, and even help repel pests. Now, let's take it to the garden. Gently apply the solution around your plants, but don't overdo it. The right ratio is 10 grams per 10 liters of water. Just like garlic enhances flavor in food, it strengthens plants, helping them develop bigger roots, lusher leaves, and more abundant fruits. But remember, always observe your plants. Do they need it? Are they thriving? For the best results, use this solution every 10 to 15 days, up to 3 times per season. So experiment and see how your plants respond. Nature always tells us what it needs. We just have to listen. That's all from my green heaven. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe, share it, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.